in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if your speaker or output device does not appear to be producing audio on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to check your speaker icon down your system tray, make sure it's turned up, as well as if you have external speakers, make sure they're turned on as well. And then you can open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best result should say troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side, you want to select additional troubleshooters. And then versus get up and running, select playing audio and then run the troubleshooter for that. All right, so you can go ahead and just follow along with whatever your recommendations are here and then just proceed and then see if it's able to resolve the problem. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.